tell me, this is, it is 1, it is 2 now, right? Yes or no? So therefore, now tell me it is 1, 2. On first carbon, there is a 2' chlorophenyl, right? On here also, it is 1, 2 no. Now on second carbon, there is a which chloro? 4 chlorophenyl ethane, because meth eth. It is another example, right? One more under note only, continue. One more point, right? If the parent chain contain identical complex substituent, if the parent chain contain identical complex substituent, then use bis, tris, tetrakis, etc. for 2, 3, 4 substituent. Okay, 2, 3, 4 substituent. See here, if the parent chain contain 2 or more identical complex substituent, okay. If it is a simple substituent, you can use di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa. But complex substituent, if there are complex substituent, instead of di, tri, bis, tris, tetrakis can be used. For example, so what is the name of this methyl group, right? CH2, it is a CH, write the IPAC name. Tell me, parent chain. So longest carbon chain, once again increase one more, increase one more carbon, here also increase another carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tell me numbering. Yeah, parent chain is this, of course. It is the longest parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then numbering, tell me. From both the sides same or not? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Therefore, from the both the sides will get same numbering. Substituent get same numbering. Tell me. Now this is a complex substituent. It is also complex substituent. When complex substituents are identical or different? Identical. If there are identical complex substituent, then use bis, tris. Therefore, it is a bis, right? Bis. Okay. Then it is again 1', 2'. It is a 1', 2'. Therefore, 1', 2', no. Therefore, on 1' there is a methyl, ethyl. 1' methyl ethyl. It is a bis. It means it is for 2. Bis. No. Bis where it is? Okay. 4, 5 now. Okay. Name of the position. Okay. 4, 5 bis. So methyl ethyl octane. So it is the IPAC name of this. Okay. So these are the some important rules for IPAC nomenclature of alkane. Okay. For alkane, these are the rules enough to write any IPAC name of alkane. Okay. Any doubt till here? No? Okay, next slide. Rules for IUPAC nomenclature of alkenes. Alkene and alkyne. Rules for IUPAC nomenclature of alkene and alkynes. See, general rules are same. General rules doesn't change, but in addition to those general rules, we'll get 4 or 5 extra rules. Okay, right done. First one, right? Selection of parent chain. Selection of parent chain. Right. Select the longest chain having. Select the longest chain having more number of double or triple bond. More number of double or triple bond. In bracket, sometime longest chain rule is violated. Sometime longest chain rule is violated. 2. If the parent chain contain both double and triple bonds, if the parent chain contain both double and triple bonds, then it is considered as derivative of alkyne. Underline. Derivative of alkyne. Derivative of alkyne. 3. If molecule contain 2 or more double bonds, if molecule contain 2 or more double bonds, double bonds or triple bonds, then terminal A should be added. Terminal A should be added to root word. Then terminal A should be added to root word. 4. The terminal A should not be added to root word. The terminal A should not be added to root word when a primary suffix do not starts with numerical affix. Numerical affix. AFFIX. Numerical affix. Okay, then next, if side chain contain multiple bonds, then they are named as follows. So already we have written, if side chain contains CH2, CH3, CH double bond, CH3, CH2, tell me, CH2, CH double bond. If the side chain contains CH2 double bond, methylidine, right? Methylidine, it is ethylidine, it is propylidine. Yes or no? Propylidine. If it is CH2 double bond CH, this group is called vinyl. Vinyl. If there is a CH2 double bond CH2, it is called allyl group. Vinyl, allyl. If there is a only benzene group but hydrogen is removed, which is called phenyl tane, phenyl, not benzene, it is phenyl, C6H5. If it is a benzene ring containing CH2, yes, benzyl. If the benzene ring containing C double bond O, it is benzoyl, okay, etc. Okay. And tell me, these are the some important rules for nomenclature of alkene and alkyne. Tell me, now what is the first rule? In the nomenclature of alkene and alkyne, selection of parent chain. How do you select the parent chain? Select the parent chain having maximum number of double bond and triple bond. Okay, for example, let us take CH2 double bond CH, it is CH3, CH2, CH3. Okay, then which is the parent chain? Parent chain must contain, if there is a double bond must be in parent chain. If there is a triple bond must be in parent chain. Therefore, now this is the parent chain. Okay, next, numbering. Second point indicate numbering. So numbering should be start from the either from double bond or triple bond. So there is a double bond, therefore numbering must be from double bond only. Okay, next, then remaining rules are same. Now methyl group is present where? Third carbon, therefore it is a 3-methyl 3-methyl pent which ene? 1-ene, pent 1-ene, right? That is a selection of parent chain and numbering parent chain. Okay, next, one more example. So write the IPAC name. Okay. So select the parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So parent chain having maximum number of carbon and double bond. Even sometime, yeah, oh no, this side, this side, that's what I'm telling now. Okay. Right, now tell me, if you take straight chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, but is it correct? If there is a multiple bond should be comes under parent chain. Even a straight chain rule is violated. Longest chain rule is violated. Here longest chain rule is violated because select the parent chain having longest carbon, right? That rule is violated. Okay, now tell me numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a methyl group and ethyl group. So when there are different alkyl groups, then use alphabetical order. Ethyl and methyl. Ethyl start with E, methyl start with M. So therefore 2 ethyl, 4 methyl, pent 1 ene. That is the first and second rules. Next is, third rule is, if the parent chain contain double bond and triple bond. If the parent chain contain double bond and triple bond, then it is considered as a derivative of alkyne. What have done? Alkyne. So then it is considered as derivative of alkyne. How? For example, let us take CH2 double bond. Okay, double bond CH, CH2, C triple bond CH. Now tell me, so first is parent chain. the longest carbon chain, this is only one parent chain. Next is numbering. Okay, so how to number, how to assign the numbering, we have studied in morning class. When there is a double bond and triple bond, it is a ene, it is ein. So according to alphabetical order, ene come first, e, ein. Therefore numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Tell me. Okay, this is all right, but this is taken as what? It is a derivative of alkyne, right? It means meth, eth, prop, but, pent. So therefore it is a pent. Pent, ena, ina. Which has to come first? Pent, en has to come. En, ein. Therefore which en? 1 ene only, not ene. And which ein? 4 ein is correct, because here ene, this is a primary suffix, this is a secondary suffix. We know that when there is a secondary suffix starts with a, e, I, o, u, y, from the primary suffix remove the last letter e. Okay, next rule is, if the parent chain contains 2 or more double bonds or 2 or more triple bonds, tell me, if the parent chain contains 2 or more double bond, 2 or more triple bond, then letter A should be added to the parent chain. If there is a double bond as well as triple bond. So that is the next rule. So therefore, for example, CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH2. What is the IPAC name of this? It contains 2 double bonds. Tell me, if there are 2 double bond or 3 double bond, then we should write the, we should add the letter A to the root word. What is the root word here? Meth, eth, prop, but. Okay, it is actually but. It should be written buta. The letter A should be added. Buta. So then 1, 2, 3, 4. So buta 1, 3 diene. Next, CH double bond CH double bond CH. Tell me. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 carbon. Hexa 1, 3, 5 triene. Okay. Similarly, if it is alkyne, for example, CH triple bond C, CH2, C triple bond CH. 1, 2, 3. It means numbering should be same both the side. So what is the IPAC name? It is a penta. 1, 4 diene, Y-N-E, ein. Right? So it is a penta 1, 4 dienes. ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ okay, penta 1, 4 diene. Okay, so if there are 2 or more double bond, 2 or more triple bond, then add the letter A. Next, then next is that the letter A should not be added. Okay, when, in which case, for example, if it is CH2 double bond CH triple bond C triple bond CH. Now tell me, in this case, what is the IPAC name? Now tell me first numbering. Say, if there are if there are 2 or more double bond triple bonds are there, the first rule is lowest to sum rule. double bond here, triple bond here. Okay, and double bond, triple bond present, and triple bond is middle from both the side. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. This is get same. This triple bond gets same, but double bond 1, triple bond 1. Tell me, if the double bond and triple bond present in equivalent positions, then numbering should be given from the side of double bond. In morning class you have studied. I know. Okay, therefore it is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now tell me, it is a hexa. Now shall we write hexa or hex? Hexa. Okay, hexa. Then so it is 1 in. Which in? 3, 5 diene. Wrong. This is wrong. Here not hexa, hex only. Why not hexa? Because hexa, when hexa has to come? Yes, when primary suffix starts with numerical affix. Andre enu artha enandre, see, this is a primary suffix, no? This is secondary suffix, no? Yes or no? Okay, it's a primary suffix. In is a primary suffix, ein is a secondary suffix. Okay, when primary suffix starts with numerical affix, yes, di, tri, tetra, penta ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. Suppose ಡೈ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಡೈ ಇನ್ ಬಂದರೆ hexa diene. Now we got di here. Now secondary suffix has numerical affix, but primary suffix do not have numerical affix. If the primary suffix do not have numerical affix, the letter A should not be added. That is the condition. Okay, that's what it is. Hex only. Hex 1 in 3, 5 diene. That is the last point. Right? Take one question. Write the IUPAC name of following alkenes. So these are the extra points. That's it. The remaining all are same. General rules are same. Write the IUPAC name of following alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes and alkynes. Ready? 1. Write the IPAC names. Tell me. So double bond, triple bond present equivalent positions. If the double bond, triple bond present equivalent position, more priority given to double bond. So therefore, what is the substituent? Methyl. Which methyl? 3-methyl. 3-methyl pent 1 en 4-ine. Next, lowest sum rule. See, if it is a double bond, triple bond, even double bonds, all triple bonds, even substituent, okay, so you can easily apply the lowest sum rule. So apply the lowest sum rule. It is a 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Tell me, 1 plus 3 from this side, 1 2 3 4, 3 plus 4. Okay, so where the lowest sum rule, where the lowest sum comes from left to right, therefore it is pent, penta, penta, pent plus a, penta, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3 diene, penta 1 comma 3 diene. Next, 1 2 3 4 5. It is 1 2 3 4. Here 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. First, tell me. It is a 2 comma 3 comma 4 trimethyl penta 1 comma 4 diene. Next, 2 comma 3 dimethyl buta 1 comma 3 diene. Next, it is a 3 comma 3 comma 5 trimethyl hexa 1 comma 5 1 comma 4 diene. Okay. Next, sixth one. So write the IPAC name. Tell me. So here, numbering 1 2 3 4. Methyl has to get 2, right? 2 methyl, 2 methyl buta 1 comma 3 diene. Do you remember where we have studied? Its common name? isoprene. Natural rubber, it's a monomer of natural rubber, no? 2-methyl buta 1,3 diene. It is a isoprene. Okay, cis polyisoprene is called natural rubber, right? Tell me next. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-chloro. So buta 1,3 diene. So what is the name of this? Neoprene. So it is a monomer of what? Chloroprene. Chloroprene is a natural synthetic rubber. So synthetic rubber monomer is neoprene. Next, tell me now here. One side double bond is there, that is a substituent. Numbering should be given from the side of the substituent or double bond. See, in priority order, have you seen that chlorine have given priority? No. But double bond, triple bond is there, no? It means double bond, triple bond comes under as a comes under as what? Functional group, right? Therefore, this is chloro is a just substituent. It is not a functional group. Therefore, when there is a substituent and multiple bonds, so numbering should be start from multiple bonds. It may be double bond or triple bond, because double bond, triple bond comes under functional groups. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, so write the name of the substituent 4-chloro. 4-chloro but 1-ene. Next, 1, 2, 3 bromo gets same numbering both the side, and double bond and triple bond present equivalent positions. So numbering must be start from double bond. In priority order, double bond come first, no? So therefore 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a bromo is 3. So 3 bromo, pent, 1 ene, which ine? 4-ine. Next, so numbering, tell me 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So here numbering must be start from left to right. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. 3-chloro. So 3-chloro 1, but 1-ine. But 1-ine. Okay. Next. Tell me numbering from right to left or left right? Left to why? Say you see the double bond 1, 2, 3, double bond 1, 2, 3. So double bond gets same numbering from both the side. When the double bond gets same numbering, we need to see a substituent. So we should see that substituent we should get least possible number. Okay, therefore if it is from left to right, it gets 2. Therefore what is IPAC name? 2-chloro hex, which in? Hex 3-ene. Next, now see the multiple bond 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So multiple bond get same numbering both the side. Then we need to see the substituent. Substituent is chloro 1, 2, bromo again 1, 2. So therefore, then two different substituent present in equivalent positions. There is a rule. What? So numbering must be given according to alphabetical order. So therefore, in alphabetical order, bromo come first. Therefore, Br has to get a least number. Okay. Then 2 bromo, 5 chloro, hex, 3 ine. 3 ine. Okay. So write some homework example. Do it later.
ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
और करें ಓಕೆ ಬರ್ರಿ ಬೇಗ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತೇನೆ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ Will you do it? Shall I do one? Tell me. Now here this one. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think 7 only maximum, right? Numbering, tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Therefore, but there is a, which group it is? Do you remember CH2 double bond, which is called methylidine. Okay, which methylidine? 3-methylidine, where methylidine is a substituent, right? Then tell me, this is a substituent 3-methylidine. Now it is hexa 1,5 diene. Hexa 1,5 diene. Like similarly, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do it. It is a methyl, right? Methyl, methyl, dimethyl. Now here also select the parent chain. Like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is a ethyl, it is a ethyl, diethyl. Now here also, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is methyl, methyl, dimethyl. Okay, you can do it. The selection of parent chain will important. Can you? Okay. So do it later. Next, right? It is IUPAC nomenclature of alkene and alkyne. Next, IUPAC nomenclature of cycloalkane. Next, right? IUPAC nomenclature of cycloalkane. Okay, write the rules. See, right, in IUPAC nomenclature of cycloalkane, again we have 4 important rules. The remaining rules are same. Then first one is, listen, first one is selection of parent chain. Listen first, selection of parent chain. In case of cycloalkane, select the parent chain as a cyclic ring if the cyclic ring has equal or more number of carbon atoms than side chain. For example, it is a cyclopropane. Okay, cyclopropane containing side chain. If there is a one side chain, then tell me where the more number of carbon atom? Cyclic ring. Then cyclic ring should be taken as a parent chain. If the cyclic ring has 3 carbon, parent chain, side chain has 2 carbon, then also which is taken parent chain? Cyclic ring. If the cyclic ring has 3 carbon, side chain has 3 carbon, then also be taken as what? Cyclic ring. It means first rule is cyclic ring can be taken as a parent chain if the side chain has less or equal carbon atom as compared to cyclic ring. Suppose now cyclic ring has 3 carbon atom, side chain has 4 carbon atoms. Then this side chain should be a parent chain. That is the first rule. Selection of parent chain, right? So select the parent chain as a cyclic ring as a parent chain if cyclic ring has equal or less carbon atom compared to side chain. That is first rule. Second rule, numbering. Numbering is same rule. So numbering should be given from the side of what? Cyclic ring. Say if this is a cyclic ring, then give the numbering 1. It is 2. If this is a parent chain, okay, then give the numbering, this is 1, it is 2. But the numbering, if there is a functional group, tell me, if there is a functional group, then tell me which is taken as a parent chain and which is taken as a substituent. So for example, let us take, it is a cyclic ring, cyclopropane, and there is a parent chain, side chain is same carbon atom. Let us take. Now tell me, 3 carbon atom ring, it is a 3 carbon atom side chain, which is a parent chain. So cyclic ring is a parent chain. Okay, that's all right. But if there is a multiple bond or functional group, if there is a multiple bond in cyclic ring, then tell me which is taken as a parent chain? Cyclic ring. If there is a multiple bond present side chain, which is taken as a parent chain? Side chain. It means the second rule is if the parent chain can be selected, it is based on multiple bond and based on functional group. If the multiple bond or functional group present in a cyclic ring, irrespective length, it is a parent chain. Irrespective length, even it is a like 4-5 carbon atoms. Now this is a OH group. Now which is a parent chain? Cyclic ring is a parent chain, irrespective number of carbon atoms. Similarly, if the side chain is only 1 carbon, it is a OH is there, then tell me which is a parent chain? Side chain is a parent chain. That means in the selection of parent chain, so if there is a functional group is present on side chain should be a what? parent chain. If the OH group, like functional group present on cyclic ring itself is a parent chain, same as multiple bond. Wherever multiple bond present, so that is taken as a parent chain. But question is, if there are same functional group present on both side chain and cyclic ring. No, both functional groups are present, OH here and even CS2OH also here. Then what do you do? Then if the same functional group present both side chain as well as cyclic ring, then the parent chain is decided by the number of carbon atoms. 1 carbon atom, 3 carbon atom. Therefore, which is a parent chain? Cyclic ring is a parent chain. Similarly, if the side chain has 3 carbon atoms, 3 carbon atom OH, this is also 3 carbon OH, which is a parent chain? Cyclic ring. Now again rule, same rule, first rule. Next, one more condition. If the cyclic ring and the side chain both are having different functional group, then priority order, that is irrespective now length of the carbon chain. For example, here only let us take carboxylic group here, COOH, here is a OH. Now which is a parent chain? Then priority. So carboxylic group has more priority, therefore this is a parent chain, it is side chain. Tell me. Double, where here? And OH here. So when, double bond OH, again priority. In priority order, OH come first, double bond, triple bond last, no? Priority order. Therefore, now this is a functional, what is it? Parent chain. Right? So therefore, the selection of parent chain only important. Then numbering you can write. Understand? Tell me, what is the first rule? First rule itself, selection of parent chain only. In selection of parent chain, suppose if the cyclic ring and side chain have equal number of carbon atom, then which is taken as a parent chain? Cyclic ring. That means cyclic ring should be taken as a parent chain if it has equal or more number of carbon atom compared to side chain. 2. Second rule, if there is a functional group, if there is a multiple bond, irrespective number of carbon atom, so cyclic ring can be taken if OH or if any functional group present on cyclic ring. If the OH or any functional group present on side chain also, that can also be taken as a parent chain, irrespective number of carbon. If both side chain as well as cyclic ring both are having same functional group, again apply first rule. If both are having different functional group, priority order. Instead of other rules are same. Okay, write down. So IPAC nomenclature, write rules. First rule is selection of parent chain. Selection of parent chain. Right. If the ring contain equal or more number of carbon atom than side chain. If the ring contain equal or more number of carbon atoms, then side chain, cyclic ring should be considered as what? Parent chain. Cyclic ring should be considered as parent chain. Example, take this cyclopropane. No, okay, I'll write this. Tell me, what is the name this? It is cyclopropane. Methyl cyclopropane, because cyclopropane is a parent chain. Next, if there are side chain has 2 carbon atoms, ethyl cyclopropane. If side chain has 3 carbon atoms, it is a propyl cyclopropane. Now if the side chain has 4 carbon atoms, it is now this is a cyclopropyl is a substituent. Cyclopropyl methylprop butane. Cyclopropyl butane. Okay, numbering is all right. 1 cyclopropyl. One cyclopropyl, you can write it. 1 cyclopropyl butane. Okay. Next. 2. Second rule. Right. Assigning the number to the parent chain. Assigning the number to the parent chain. Right. Assign the lowest number to the substituent. Assign the lowest number to the substituent present on parent chain. Present on parent chain. Example, take this. Assign the lowest number. Tell me. It is a cyclohexane. Cyclohexane is a parent chain, right? Now numbering is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. If you take from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 comes, right? So assign the numbering in such a way that substituent should get least possible number. Okay, or else you can use lowest sum rule. That is also applicable. So therefore, tell me, it is a 1, 3 dimethyl cyclohexane. 1, 3 dimethyl cyclohexane. Next, 3. If functional groups or double triple bonds are present, if functional group or double or triple bonds are present on side chain, then side chain should be considered as what? Parent chain, irrespective what? Irrespective number of carbon atoms. Okay, for example, let us take it is a cyclohexane. Side chain has take 3 carbon and OH is there, and 6 carbon cyclohexane, and there is a double bond. Okay, now tell me, what is IPAC name? Now which is a parent chain? Side chain is a parent chain. Ring is a substituent. Now ring is a substituent, right? Now numbering, tell me. Numbering should be start from either cyclic ring or towards OH. Because again normal rules. It is a substituent, it is a functional group. Therefore functional group should get least possible number. But if you give it is 1, 2, 3. Okay, hydroxy means alcohol get 2. If you give from this side 1, 2, 3, it means alcohol gets same number, no? When both the side functional group get same number, we need to say that substituent should get least possible number. Therefore now this is take 1, this is become 3. Yes or no? Do you understand? So therefore now it is which cyclohexyl? 1 cyclohexyl methylprop prop. Propane, which ol? 2 ol. Right. So 1 cyclohexyl propane 2 ol. Do you understand? Next. Select the parent chain. Cyclic ring, no multiple bond. Side chain, multiple bond. Therefore, side chain should be taken as a parent chain. Then, side chain has how many carbon atom chain? It is 4, because 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you should take, this is a parent chain, right? Then numbering should be start from double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then cyclohexyl start with C. It starts with methyl M. Therefore 3 cyclohexyl 2 methyl but 1 ene. Next rule. Next, write. If both side chain and cyclic ring contain same functional group, if both cyclic ring, if both side chain and cyclic ring contain same functional group, then the parent chain is decided by what? Number of carbon atoms. Then the parent chain is decided by number of carbon atoms. Okay. For example, take cyclohexane, okay, and there is a side chain is OH and it is also having OH. No, come on, tell me. Say, if there is only one functional group, wherever functional group present, that can be taken as a parent chain. But now problem is both the side same functional group. Then it is decided by the number of carbon atom. So here cyclic ring has 6 carbon atom, side chain has 1, 2, 3 carbon atom. Therefore, now cyclic ring should be taken as a parent chain. Okay. Now cyclic ring is taken as a parent chain. Then what about side chain is substituent? Now tell me numbering. We know that numbering should be start from functional group. Therefore, this is 1, then it is 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then next is, then this is a side chain. Now what are the rule for writing the IPAC name of side chain? Same rule we have studied alkane. This is a 1 prime, it is a 2 prime, it is a 3 prime. Therefore, on second carbon there is a cyclic, there is a side chain. On side chain there is a 2 prime hydroxy. Can be taken hydroxy or ol? Ol is a functional group, hydroxy is a substituent. 2 prime hydroxy, meth, eth, prop, propyl, bracket. Then this is what? Cyclohexane, which ol? Cyclohexane 1 ol. Okay. So this is when same functional group present both side chain as well as cyclic ring. Now next, if the different functional group present both side chain and OH group, then parent chain decided by priority order. Okay, right. Next, right. If both side chain and the side chain and cyclic ring contain different functional group, then the parent chain is decided by priority of the functional group. priority of the functional group. Okay. For example, it is cyclohexane having OH group but side chain containing carboxylic group. Tell me now. Now which is a parent chain? Side chain is a parent chain because carboxylic group has highest priority. Okay. Then what about the cyclic ring? Substituent. It should be taken as 1 prime. Then it is a 2 prime. Then what is the IPAC name? Again same rule we have studied, alkane nomenclature. Write the side chain. Side chain, it is 1, it is 2, no. Parent chain. Carboxyl group 1, 2. On second carbon, okay, then it is a 1 prime, 2 prime. 2 prime hydroxy. 2 prime hydroxy cyclohexyl. Alkyl, no. Cyclohexyl. Right. So 2 prime hydroxy cyclohexyl with ethanoic acid. Because IUPAC name of carboxylic acid is alkanoic acid. It is ethanoic acid. Right. Similarly, one more example. So write the IUPAC name. So tell me here, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is alcohol. Now this is a substituent, right? On third carbon, tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no, 1 prime, 2 prime. Tell me. It is a cyclohexene. Okay. It is a hex 2 prime in become in no enyl, like alkane, alkyl, alkane, alkyl, alkenyl. So here also cyclohex 2 prime enyl, alkene, alkenyl, alkyne, alkynyl, because side chain no enyl. Okay, next. The remaining thing is same. It is a but which all butane 2 ol. Butane 2 ol. Next here. It is a double bond functional group. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4. It's again same. This is substituent, right? Cyclopropene, propenyl. Okay. It is a 1 cyclopropenyl. Okay. or else 1 prime, 2 prime, 3 prime. See, in nomenclature we go as easy as possible. See, when IPAC name has 2 or 3 possibilities, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ we go as easy as possible. That's a rule. So that means you can write in 2-3 ways, but which is easiest method, that you can follow it. It not mean that that is only method. That is method. So which method which is easy to write, that can be followed. So therefore now tell me, it is a cyclopropene, propynyl. Cyclopropynyl. Even if you want to represent the position of the double bond, you can write clearly. Okay, then what it becomes? 1 prime, 2 prime, no. So it becomes cycloprop, which 2 prime enyl. Okay. Butane 2-ol. Butane 2-ol. Next rule, write another rule. When cyclic ring is directly attached to benzene ring, when cyclic ring is directly attached to benzene ring, when cyclic ring is directly attached to benzene ring, then benzene ring should be taken as a parent chain. Important. Then benzene ring should be taken as a parent chain. Okay, then benzene ring should be taken as a parent chain. For example, there is a benzene ring and other cyclic groups, whatever may be the irrespective number of carbon atoms. Cyclic ring is, let us take cyclopropyl, and tell me what is IPAC name. Here this benzene ring is a parent chain. Then what about the cyclopropane ring is substitute. Then it is a cyclopropyl benzene. That's it. If it is cyclobutane or pentane also present, even hexane, cyclohexane also present. In all the cases, benzene is a parent chain. So it is a cyclobutyl benzene, cyclopentyl benzene, cyclohexyl benzene. Next, last rule. Write down another rule. Write down. If the functional groups present on cyclic ring, if the functional groups present on cyclic ring or are directly attached to cyclic ring, if the functional groups directly attached to cyclic ring, then they are named as follows. Important. For example, if there is a carboxylic group, if the carboxylic group is directly present on or directly attached to cyclic ring, it is not called alkanoic acid. ಬೈದರಾ? ಹಾಂ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, 2 ನಿಮಿಷ. Okay, it is called carboxylic acid and aldehyde, carbaldehyde, and if it is amide, carboxamide, amide is carboxyamide. Next, if it is a acid halide, carbonyl halide. Okay, then if it is a C triple bond N, it is a carbonitrile. Carbonitrile. And one more last one is, if it is ester, it is alkyl carboxylate. Alkyl carboxylate.